Looks like fabric sheets.
Oh.
Yeah, and also lint off the clothes and shit like that, right?
Yeah. Oh man, well, you work wonders. Fabric softener.
Well, you know, you wouldn't believe the shit I find in these things.
Really, I bet, man.
Oh yeah. So you guys get your shots or no?
No, not yet.
No? You're gonna get them or you don't know?
We are, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially these guys starting school again.
But I really don't know why they can't stay at home.
Eh?
Well, because it's not over yet, right?
It's not, no. I think they just
So-
pushed them back into school because, you know,
I know everybody wants to chill out, you know, and do what they do, right? But
yeah.
this just doesn't seem to be the right time right now.
No. Well, definitely be another outbreak.
Oh, we're already in another outbreak.
Right now, right?
Yeah, sure. Sometimes the cases are up to 800 a day.
Yeah, that's right.
And a lot of the people, maybe 200 of them or so, are fully vaccinated.
Fully vaccinated?
Yes.
And they have it?
Yes, but here's the thing. They don't tell you. Are they fully vaccinated and still at home, or are they fully vaccinated and now they're in the hospital? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like they may have the disease now, but they're not breaking it down to where they are, right? So we don't really know, you know? But I don't know.
Yeah, definitely a shit show.
Yeah, it is, you know?
Here.
I guess, you know, you're just gonna have to hope for the best.
Yeah, I know.
See what happens. They don't want to shut us down again, eh?
No, they don't.
Because I don't think they have the money to do it.
Yeah, right.
You know? They didn't even have the money to start with.
Yeah.
You know? The government just prints money like wild, you know?